Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use GCash QR code to pay bills online. It's actually very quick and simple, so let's get started. So first, go ahead and open your GCash app, and from the menu, you want to press the QR option at the very bottom to open your camera. Then from there, just simply scan the biller's QR code to make the payment. So the QR code can be found in your billing statement, or you can also upload a QR code that can be found in your biller's mobile app, for example, the Meralco mobile app if you have one. Alternatively, you can also pay with just your account number. So to do this, from the menu, you want to click on bills, then look for, let's say, Meralco for electricity bill. You want to tap it, then enter your amount due, then your account number. Once done, just simply hit next to continue and complete the payment. And basically, that's it. Now you know how to use GCash to pay bills online in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!